Hello and welcome to Design by Geeks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Santa suit gift card holder on your cutting machine. The link to buy the SVG design is in the video description. Start by cutting out all of your pieces out of cardstock using your cutting machine. You're going to have the main gift card holder piece, the white trim, 2 pieces for the belt, and the belt buckle. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold the gift card holder along the score lines. And then you're going to place glue on these flaps. Then just fold up the front to complete the assembly. And just hold that in place until the glue sets, just for a couple seconds. Next, you're going to take your white trim piece and glue that to the front. When you're gluing it to the front, just make sure that you're not gluing it on the side with the notch, that you're gluing it on the other side, and that the side with the notch is the side facing up. So this is the top, so we're going to glue it down like this. Next, we're going to glue the 2 pieces of the belt together. So we're just going to put the end with the notch and put that kind of on the right side. There's the little angled piece. And we're just going to glue that on top of each other. I like to not put glue on this angled end so that I can kind of curl it up a little bit. So I just put glue kind of on the side here. You see I've only got glue kind of on one end so that the other end can be loose, because then later I can curl that up to make it kind of look a little more realistic, like a real belt. And then you're going to slide your belt buckle onto your belt, and you'll want to center that like so. And then here I have our little loose end that I can kind of curl up a little bit. After the buckle is on, if you want, you can put a teeny bit of glue to hold it in place, but when we glue it to the gift card holder, that will also keep it in place. So now we're going to glue that to the gift card holder wherever you think it looks good, but I think right about the center is usually where I like it. Right, there you go. Gift card holder's complete. You just slide a gift card inside and you're ready. Thanks so much for watching and happy holidays. We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.